Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to show you my new happy planner for the year. So I got a brand new 2022, and it has these rainbow discs. I think they are so cute. So that was my color because I wasn't sure about the color on here. I mean, it's just plain white and gold, and I'm not a gold gal, believe it or not. I'm more of a silver, but I'm like, oh, I could always switch out if I don't like it. But then I started looking, and it has all my favorite stuff. It's got some candles, a little dog bone and a paw for Stanley. It's got little plants, which I do not know how to grow plants, but it also has the Apple Watch on here and the little discs, some washi. I got the little smart light bulbs. I've got this little pocket watch, kind of true north here. So I thought, you know what? This is me. So it's got all kinds of artsy stuff, coffee, avocados, like everything that I love is on here. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to give it a shot. But more than that, I really enjoyed the planner. Now, I got this one on sale, you guys. It's at Michael's. Guess how much? $14, and it was a 22-month planner. So it started in 2021, but all I had to do was take out those months, right? So I still have my December here, and then I did add some of my own pockets in here, and then because it was a bigger calendar, I also added another pocket and some notebook paper on here. So I was able to fill this out the way I want it. And now I left December only because it has the final week. Does it not? Yes, it does. It's right here. And I was going to start with this week. So that is why. So that's why I don't have that month there. And I'm not going to do the whole month or the whole week. I'm just going to do this part. And then next week I will start into the January months and get those going. But I picked out the classic that I love, and we're going to go ahead and do a new plan with me. Remember last year I kind of went out on my own, and then halfway through I'm like, I'm going to use the Happy Planner. But I am back with the Happy Planner. So I have picked out some yellow washies. I also have some red and yellow for ink because I'm going to start trying to play with this just a little more. I'm going to use my Stampin' Up! Poppy, and I think I'm going to go with what kind of yellow? Let's see here. I think I'm going to go with the Daffodil Delight. So I wanted to add a little bit of color just on here in case and before I do any of my washi. So I'm just gonna, I should have a piece of paper underneath just because I like to start off. You guys know this. So I'm gonna move this. And oh yeah, look at that. So we're just gonna add some yellow on here. Get that down in here. Super pretty. I think I'm gonna darken this edge up right here. And I just want to use everything this year. I really have been missing my paper crafting. I've found, so I've done some, I guess what they call memory decks is what people have told me. I'm getting back into my journaling again. So it's amazing how life just changes and gets away from you and you start doing other stuff. So I just wanted to get back to that. And now I've got that nice yellow there. I'm going to get out my Poppy Parade. It is very close to red, but has a little tint of pink in there. Okay. And with that one, I'm just going to flip it over here. And I think we'll do a little bit of that Poppy Parade just coming in here. There we go. Now I have to tell you, you guys, one of the things that has really bummed me out was I was using a lot, and you may remember, was oh, I can't think. I'm having a brain. Victoria Thatcher. That is, I couldn't think. I have a friend named Thacker, and I couldn't remember if it was Thatcher or Thacker. Victoria Thatcher. And I don't know if you guys remember, I always used her stuff. Unfortunately, she passed away with COVID last or earlier this year. So I was so bummed, so sad. But I do have some of her stuff that I still have, and her daughter was so awesome to keep her memory alive by keeping her documents still available for us. So hopefully I can get into that. Look how cool this looks. Isn't that cool? That could make something. I'm going to save that. You never know. You never know where the inspiration will hit, right? So I've got that, and now I'm going to get into my washies here. Maybe. It's these fingernails, I'm telling you. Okay, there we go. I'm going to put a piece right here. Just straight across. I've got my little Dollar Tree guy that I have found works really well for cutting your washi and getting that washi down. And so that does not happen again. I fold it over, and I leave a little tab there. So now it'll be much easier. I have another one here. This one's going to be, well, I thought it was going to be easier. But, so I'm so excited. Ah, what's going on here? I'm excited to be doing the planning again. Celebration is about to start for Stampin' Up, so I'm excited about that as well. I am working on my paper share, which some of you have joined, and that is awesome. I think I should have left a little bit more room. I didn't give myself enough room here, but it worked. Okay. My craft room is getting clean, and believe it or not, it's not even an item. It's not like something that, oh, that's my New Year's resolution is to get my craft room clean. No, it isn't, because I'm going to go right down here with these beautiful little flowers, and I'm going to go all the way across. Because my craft room is actually pretty well kept up. I have been just keeping it, getting rid of some of the stuff that needs to be put away. And of course I didn't get rid of everything. I just put them in nice little tubs. And I am going to be having visitors, and now they can stay in my craft room because there is room to put a nice little bed, blow-up mattress. All right, so we've got that part done. Now, are you ready to see what the theme is? Oh, goodness. I should probably not tell you and just start adding some of this stuff, although you can totally see what it is here. Let me know when you know what it is in the comments. When you, oh, did I almost show you what it was? I almost did, didn't I? Have you figured it out? This might help you. This will be my list for today. Look at the colors. All right, this is where you're gonna figure it out. This will be it. You ready? All right, what is it? Let me hear ya. Not sure yet. You have to know by now. Here we go. Uh-oh. His little wrist got cut off here. I'm gonna get my little tweezers out. There we go. Do we know yet? We do, right? It's a tale as old as time. So cute. Got our little Cogsworth down here. So let me know, did you know that it was going to be Beauty and the Beast? If you did, congratulations. Put this one right here. Now you see how this adds just enough in here. Loving this. And we have a couple more here. So cute. And some of these stickers, the reason I thought these stickers would work really well is because I am not needing these days. Like, these days are going to be really not used up, right? Because it's the first, today for me, it's already Friday. And then I'm putting this together, and I'm not really going to need too much of these. And I still have others, but I think I want to keep them because I want to use them for something else. Look at, there is Chip and Mrs. Potts there. There's some lovely hearts. I'm going to use this guy. Adorable. Aww. I love it. And I think I will use these little guys. Well, actually, I think I'll go more up here. get that red in there. Where did I get these? Plan with Pizzazz. That's where those came from. And I'm going to use this little one that says today. I'll put that right here. I think we're doing okay here. I definitely think I'm going to save these for later. I will put this one right here because we are doing New Year's Eve tonight. We'll be having a nice little dinner. And then I'm going to take this guy here. And where's those scissors? I have to show you. Oh, my friend, who is also a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and a beauty as well. She is my sideline, but Jenny got me these little scissor holders and a pair of the paper snips, but look at this. Look at, she had beauty engraved on there. Isn't that cute? All right, so I'm going to just kind of cut this in half as straight as possible, in half as possible. But I just love this so much. Such a sweet and thoughtful gift. And she's so sweet and thoughtful anyways. There we go. I think I'm going to go right here, maybe. Okay, yep. Yes, yes. I'm going to cut this down a little bit more. Go just a little off. There we go. So there we go. That is my first plan for the new year, starting for January 1st and 2nd. And then I will be back to my regular planning schedule, which I try and get those done on Sundays to prepare for the following week. So I will put this on here, and I'm still going to stick this right in here. I love it so much. Let me know what you think. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of this type of crafting and planning. And again, thank you all so much. Have a great New Year's Eve. Be safe, and Happy New Year to you. Bye.